Hello YouTube, my name is Froilan and welcome to another video of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today we're going to do another unboxing. It's gonna be a New Balance 990 version 5, so stick around. The New Balance 990 V5 that we're unboxing today is actually a collaboration between New Balance and Engineered Garments. Engineered Garments is a clothing brand from the US. They specializes on outerwear, workwear, and they're very popular with their asymmetric designs. So without further ado, here you go. So let's open it up. So there you go. So let's check the details. Okay, at first glance, it will just appear like a normal New Balance 990 V5. But if you take a closer look, especially from afar, you won't notice it. But there's a difference between the right shoe and the left shoe. And it's all about the panelings and leather quality. So at first, let's start here at front. You have the toe guard. On the right shoe, you have a gray leather for the right shoe, and on the left shoe, it's like a suede or nubuck material in a lighter shade of gray. Now, the base material is this padded mesh, but they're both the same. Then when you go up the lace loops on the left shoe, you will have the same suede material that they use on the toe guard. And then on the right shoe, they have a crocadile printed leather. The same shade of gray, but this one has crocodile print. This one is suede. Now, on the lateral side of the shoe, on the right shoe, you have crocodile skin leather here, crocodile skin patterned leather. It's not a real crocodile skin here. And then on the heel cup, you have a suede leather here, like same color as this one. This one is a little darker. Then on the left shoe, you have the same crocodile patterned leather here, smaller scales though, but this one has a lighter shade of gray, just like same shade as this one. But at the heel cup, you have the same crocodile skin pattern here in the same color. So this is dark, this is light, this is dark, this is lighter. On the lateral side, and by the way, they have the plastic panel here. They're both of the same. On the medial side, you have the same. It's a leather material, nubuck or suede. It has a lighter shade than on this one. This is a normal leather. It has a darker shade of gray compared to this one. So the right pair is a little different from the left pair. They're juxtaposed the paneling, so it will be a different. It will look different. So if you're looking on this side, on the right, if you're looking from the right, this side is the darker shade. Then if you look from the left side, it has a lighter shade on both this side and this side. So that's a main difference from right to left. Now for the midsole, they use the standard midsole for the New Balance 990 V5. You have a foam, the white foam here, and then you have the cap midsole. It actually helps to keep your heel in place. And then you have a lighter shade of gray on the back, on the heel area. So this particular foam here is actually denser than the white foam there. Now for the outsole, you have a black rubber outsole, gray here, and you have cut out so you can it can be flexible, and you have a torsion-like plastic support here, so the shoe won't twist around. So that's it for the shoe. This particular sneaker released last September 7 globally, and it retailed for $230. I got my pair from End Clothing, actually joined one of their raffle, and I managed to pick one up. And since this particular collaboration didn't generate a lot of hype and didn't get a lot of media attention, I was able to get my pair. So very thankful for that. And is it worth it? For me, yes, because this is a very good silhouette, a very good shoe, and it's a very good collaboration. The details are very subtle, but you have that engineered garments signature asymmetric look to it. And the materials they use are very premium, good quality, and it just looks good. And I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press a thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Also, please follow us on all our social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. And we are currently giving away 2 sneakers, an Air Jordan 1 Low and an Ultra Boost 19. All the mechanics will be posted down below. And again, my name is Froilan. Until next time.